Most salespeople aren't losing deals because of bad messaging. They're losing them because they can't keep up. Hundreds of prospects, dozens of follow-ups, a calendar full of chaos. The reality, if you're still manually managing LinkedIn outreach, you're playing a game you can't win. But what if every message, connection request, and follow-up could happen automatically while still feeling personal? That's exactly what LeadConnect does. LeadConnect is a LinkedIn automation tool that puts your outreach on autopilot. It sends personalized connection requests, follows up to 10 times automatically, and syncs everything straight into your CRM, whether that's HubSpot or anything else. So instead of chasing people, you're nurturing them, and your entire workflow stays organized in one dashboard. Here's exactly what makes it so powerful. It's not just an automation, it's precision. LeadConnect includes blacklist management, meaning your teammates never message the same lead twice. You can customize message templates, build follow-up sequences, and track response rates from one interface. The result? Higher acceptance rates, consistent engagement, and a pipeline that grows without you lifting a finger. The plan starts at just $25 per month, with higher tiers unlocking more invites and features for larger teams. That means whether you're a solo founder doing outbound or a sales organization running multiple reps, you can scale without the bloat or the risk of flagging accounts. LeadConnect is the perfect start engine. It gets your outreach running and fills the top of your funnel through LinkedIn. But if we want to push the same leads across multiple channels, cold email, AI written personalization, and huge scale, then that's where Salesforge comes in. Think of LeadConnect as your start, where Salesforge is the multiplier. You can connect unlimited LinkedIn senders, unlimited mailboxes, and scale your outreach across multiple channels, two to be exact, by using AI and automation. I show exactly how to set up multi-channel campaigns for the best results possible in this video, so check it out.